Getting your eye makeup on point is not an easy task. Even an experienced makeup enthusiast will have several eye makeup tips and tricks to get it right. A perfectly done eye makeup can enhance your features and add that pop of color to your face. To help you create the magic with your eyes, we have curated a list of some interesting eye makeup tips for those just stepping into the world of makeup. So, the next time you want to experiment with your eye makeup, be confident and keep these easy tips handy. They will help you evolve from a novice to a pro in no time. 1. Ensure your eyelids are clean and then apply a primer on them, so the eye makeup does not smudge and stays on for longer. 2. To make your eyelashes look denser, apply the eyeliner as close to the lash line as possible so it appears to be a part of your natural lash line. This is called tight lining. Make a dotted line from the outer to the inwards corner and connect the dots. 3. Make sure the tip of your liner is thin but blunt to achieve precision, and so you get the perfect shape. You can also freeze your eyeliner before sharpening to keep it from crumbling. 4. To accomplish the perfect winged eyeliner, use a liquid liner. Start on the lash line at the pupil and work your way towards the corners. If your hand is not steady enough for liquid liner, then first line your eyes with a pencil liner, then trace over it with your liquid liner. 5. To accomplish a smoky eye, opt for a pencil liner, as these tend to be softer and creamy. Also, you can smudge it out using a smudging brush for that effortlessly cool smoky eye. 6. As you age, opt for more subtle colors like brown for a more elegant look, and apply mascara to complement the simple look. 7. Always start applying your mascara from the roots of your lashes and wiggle your way to the tips. Doing this instantly volumizes your lashes and does not weigh them down. 8. After applying one coat of mascara, wait for about 10 seconds to go in with a second coat. This way, your lashes don't get clumpy. 9. Wipe off excess mascara from the wand on a tissue before applying, so it's easy to maneuver and won't clump. 10. Before you go in with mascara, always make sure to curl your lashes using a high-quality eyelash curler. When you go in with curling, pinch your eyelash curler at last base. Hold it tightly, rotating upwards. 11. The way you hold your mascara matters. Hold your wand horizontally for thicker lashes and vertically for a more natural look. 12. If you want to make your mascara last longer, then stop pumping the wand while pulling it out. Just swirl it to prevent it from drying out. 13. Invest in high-quality products and brushes. They will go a long way besides ensuring proper application and blending. 14. If you want your eyeshadow to stay put all day and not crease, besides wanting the eyeshadow color to really pop out, use a good primer before you go in with the eyeshadow. On the other hand, if you want to make a less pigmented eyeshadow look vibrant and poppy, cover your eyelid with a white eyeliner first. This helps to cancel out the color of your skin, and it creates an even base for your eyeshadow. 15. For the bottom area of your eye, that is just near the lash line, use a dark shade of eyeshadow. For the area above that, use a medium shade, and for the top, use a light shade, and blend them well. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Keep watching and stay with us subscribing to this channel. Have a great day.